my birthday vlog and
Tell me, I'm not God's favorite child. Go Prada too. These are very pretty too. These are.
hi guys. I'm just so happy because today is 28th February. Tomorrow is my birthday. Okay, basically this is gonna be my birthday vlog and I'm just really happy. Anyways, I'm gonna shoot everything that I'm gonna do for my birthday. So first of all, let me tell you all what is the thing. Today is 28th of February, which is also a very important day because I have made it a very important day because I'll tell you. Basically, I had a best friend, but she's not there anymore. So whenever it's my birthday, I think since 2 years, 2 to 3 years since she left, she's always given me signs on this day. I don't know if it makes sense or it's very stupid for y'all, but for me it means a very big sense because the year that she left, on that year, it was my birthday, and on 20th of February, it rained. It rained in a very bad way. Like it was just pouring like anything. And like not on 28th February, on 1st March in February, I was kind of crying that please give me signs and stuff. So that is the thing. I'm sorry for all the noise, but yeah, that is what I was saying. And then since that year, I feel like I just got signs and stuff like that. Like I used to just remember her on that particular day every single year. Like on 28th February is like her day, but this is not when she kind of left us. But yeah, anyways, it's all right. But like it's like yesterday also something happened and I got reminded. So I just genuinely feel that it's just that she wants me to remember her. And it's like, I don't know, I think every year on 20th February the sky just becomes really beautiful, and iske pehle it does not. Please, the sky is very boring these days. So let's see. Yeah, but tomorrow is my birthday, and what I'm gonna do is I'll tell you all. So I have my birthday dress already. Like I've bought it already, and I bought it in like October, I think, and I never wore it. But it is such a pretty dress, so I'm just gonna wear that because it's very beautiful, and I don't know where I'm gonna wear it again. So I'm just like, okay, this is my birthday dress, and so that is my birthday dress. I have my jewelry done, but now my nails, okay. Basically, I ordered press-ons online, but they're coming on 5th March, which is after my birthday. But like the app is like, मतलब वहाँ पे orders बहुत जल्दी आते हैं. So I'm really hoping that it comes by tomorrow or today. Like I just really want my nails to look pretty because yeah. But that's that, and then so I think everything's done. So basically that's that. Now let me tell you all pura in a way. So tomorrow, so my mom and dad are not here. They're going to my cousin uncle's wedding, not wedding, engagement. He's getting engaged tomorrow. So my mom and dad are gonna be there. So me and my brother are gonna be here alone, and I'm doing a house party. So basically, I really wanted to go to like a restaurant or cafe sort of thing. But the thing is that I like in Pinterest and on Pinterest and stuff, there are just house parties just look so beautiful and all, and I really wanted to do that. And then my mom and dad were not here, so they were like, you want to do something, you do it at home. So now I'm gonna do that. So yeah, but anyways, tomorrow in the morning I'm going to the mandir with my friend. I'm going to ISKCON, and then after that I'm gonna go and get like my hair blow dried. Yeah, my hair is so pretty. But anyways, then I'm also gonna kind of just kind of decorate my whole house, not whole house, my living room. And then after that I will get ready, then like the house party just begins. Oh my god, yeah. Anyways, that's gonna happen. And right now I am going to the mall with my friend and my brother. So yeah, I'm going there. I don't have anything to do. He wants to buy something and she wants to buy something, so we're going together. But the thing is that if I get like pretty press-ons, then I'll buy them because I literally love the press-ons. I really wanted them, but they're coming late. So yeah, I think I can I can buy croissants, but yeah, that's but now there's some things that I've not bought, which is I've not bought balloons, I've not bought cake ka saman. Oh, by the way, I'm making my own cake. I'm making my own birthday cake. Okay, like so this is a ritual that I've been doing since 4 5 years, which is I always go to mandirs, okay, on my birthday. But I wanted to make one more thing, a ritual, which is making my own birthday cake. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make my own birthday cake, and now I'll just go, and I'm not gonna shoot going to the mall. But yeah.
गप रहा दादू. It's my birthday. Okay, let me give you a gist of what happened yesterday. So, did I record yesterday? Yeah, I did, right? So basically, I was gonna go to the mall with my brother and my best friend. We did go to the mall, and I bought myself a lot of nice jewelry from Mr. DIY. And then we went to Zudio, and I bought a very cute t-shirt which I'm gonna wear tomorrow. That is something I bought, and then I also bought some more jewelry. Then after that I came home, and 15 minutes में बस रुकी हूँ, मैं बस check out करी हूँ. These are the earrings also that were from Zudio, by the way. I'm gonna show you all. ठीक है. And then after that I just come home, and 15 minutes तक मैं रुकी हूँ घर पे. My dad's like, so I called my dad, and my dad was not home. My dad and my mom both were like out, ठीक है. And they were like बहुत important इसमें. तो मैंने कॉल किया, मैंने पापा को बोला मुझे फ्लावर्स लाने हैं, मुझे सब चीज़ें लानी है, आप कब आ रहे हो? तो ही इज़ लाइक तू और श्लोक जाओ करके, मतलब मेरा भाई. तो हम दोनों गए, गेड़ी मारी हम लोग ने. And then we went, we bought some cake का सामान which I need tomorrow to bake a cake. And then after that we bought some balloons and like glass and stuff like that, ठीक है. And फिर मैं घर पे आती हूँ, and I was so exhausted. I had my lunch then, like I had my lunch at 4 or 5 a.m. p.m, which was crazy. And then after that at 7 p.m my dad comes, and he's like चल. तो हम लोग sunflowers लेने गए. I bought sunflowers, and let me tell you all, for me, like, so I just don't know, I have always loved flowers since I was a child. I have loved flowers, and abhi I was just like, I don't like roses because they are very overrated. So I really love sunflowers. And sunflowers are something, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, 9th standard से, which is 2 years from now, 2 years से जो भी flower shops और florists वगैरह रहता है ना, मैं जब भी वो like रोड से पास करती हूँ ना, I always look at sunflowers and I smile, because I feel like अगर मुझे sunflower दिखता है तो that is very lucky for me, and I have to smile. So that is a rule for me. And like from there I am here. My dad bought me flowers, and I made my own bouquet, so it was very beautiful. It was really beautiful. And then so I really like lilies also. I like lilies, tulips and sunflowers, ठीक है. बट ट्यूलिप्स मिलते नहीं हैं इतने जल्दी, और लिलीज एंड सनफ्लावर्स लाइक सब तीनों भी एक्सपेंसिव है, ठीक है. सो मैं बेसिकली, मेरी ये बर्थडे का थीम इज़ येलो एंड वाइट, ठीक है. एंड आई जेनुइनली बाय द वे टुडे इज सैटरडे, एंड मैं सैटरडेज़ को वीडियो पोस्ट करती हूँ. मैं भूल गई हूँ आज वो वीडियो पोस्ट करना, तो मुझे अभी पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा यूट्यूब का. बट एनीवेज हम से कि हाँ. सो फिर मैं आती हूँ, एंड मतलब सनफ्लावर्स लिए मैं बहुत खुश हुई. वो मैंने नेल्स लगाए मेरे, मैंने दूसरे लिए बाय द वे. The ones they never came. So but these are very pretty too. These are press-ons, by the way. So yeah, I don't do extensions, but yeah, that happened. And then मैं घर पे हूँ, and फिर मेरे को नीचे जाना था. So I went with my best friend, and we're like running, we're just talking, oh my god, my birthday, princess का birthday, stuff okay. एंड एक बिल्डिंग के नीचे ना बहुत सारे गाड़ियाँ जाते हैं, एंड वी अंडरस्टैंड कि CM है. सो हम लोग वहाँ भाग के जाते हैं. वी जस्ट वी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कार, एंड वी जस्ट लाइक looking at them, clicking pictures. That's just like that, okay. And I just send the video to my family's group chat, and my dad comes running, and he's like, we have to go. So then we went, we met them, and I told, like, my dad was like कि इसका birthday करके. तो he literally gave me a bouquet जिसमें 2 lilies थे. Like, just tell me. So I'll tell you, मेरे को लिलीज़ पसंद है, बट मुझे लिलीज़ पसंद आने लगे सिंस 2 months I think. Like उसके पहले मुझे लिलीज इतने पसंद नहीं थे. The only flowers that I liked was sunflower and tulips. So लिलीज मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं थे. And then जब मेरा बर्थडे का, मैं आई वॉज लाइक सर्चिंग फॉर बुके आइडियाज़ एंड लाइक स्टफ बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू मेक माई ओन बुके. सो आई वाज लाइक सर्चिंग फॉर थिंग्स. तब मुझे रिलीज किया. आई एम लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, दीज आर एक्चुअली रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई फेल इन लव विद दैम. 2 months है, आई एम जस्ट लाइक क्रेजी ओवर लीज, ठीक है. एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू गेट दैम, बट आई रियली डिड नॉट ऑल्सो वांट टू सैक्रिफाइस ऑन सनफ्लावर्स. And I got them. So just give me a reason. Just give me a thing ki may, like, God, I'm not a God's favorite child. Like this is a freaking sign that I'm God's favorite child. Like I am beyond grateful. I don't have words to say. I was so happy. But anyways, I'm journaling right now. Let me tell you, is from Long Live, and this song is like such a pretty song. And मैं ना basically जब जा रही थी sunflowers games, I was like in a very jolly mood and stuff. So I was listening to like nice songs, ठीक है. And then जब आ रहे थे, I'm like, मैंने सब गाने सुने, मैं Taylor Swift के नहीं सुने, I really want to listen. Like, you know, 16-year-old me should just fulfill उसका heart and stuff like that, ठीक है. So what I do is मैं Taylor Swift का मेरे playlist में जाके shuffle play करती हूँ. Long Live बजता है. Long Live is my favorite song. And उसमें there is this line which says, I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. Let me tell you all something. 16 year was like 16th me was not the worst year. It was really nice, okay. But I had so much. I had to go so much through that. Let me tell you. मैं जिस दिन 16 की हुई थी, उस दिन I broke up. उस दिन I got rid of a relationship. And then after that मेरा 10 खत्म हो गया. There were some problems. I used to fight with my dad, and then I just did not have any friends. So there were a lot of things that happened this year. I genuinely fought dragons, and I kind of had the best time. So yeah, I genuinely feel that 17 is gonna be really lucky for me, because 16 wasn't that lucky. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you all मेरा haul. मैं actually तुम लोगों को ना kitchen का भी सब सामान दिखाने वाली थी, but अभी नहीं, because अभी सब लोग सो रहे हैं, so I won't. But I'll show you the things that I got. So wait. So this is like a bracelet for my birthday stack that I got for my birthday stack. This is from I got it from DIY. Yeah. This is the stack. Okay, look. This is so pretty. So it has these very pretty shells. Then this has dolphins. I love dolphins. And this has like this, what do you call it? I don't know, sparkly thing. Then I bought this from DIY. I'm gonna wear this with my birthday dress. This is so adorable. I love it. It's so pretty. Then I bought this. So this is a whole like stack that I got from Zudio, which I'll show you all. Yeah, so there are these star ones, this pink one, there's this flower, then there's this. Wait. This is so pretty. Actually मेरे best friend के पास ये है, मुझे genuinely बहुत पसंद है, तो I was just like I want it, and then I got it. So I think मैंने इसके और दूसरे वाले की वजह से लाया. मैं दूसरे वाले भी दिखाती हूँ. These are the दूसरे वाले. These are so pretty too. Yeah, that's it. कल मिलते हैं. My hair looks really bad because मैं आज बहुत स्कूटी पे घूमी हूँ, so my hair is gone dead. But yeah, I think that's it. And also I had a very pretty pastry and very tasty pastry that I ate. But कल I'm going to do something. कल सुबह 8 बजे I'm going to go इस्कॉन मंदिर, एंड उसके बाद मैं घर पे आने वाली हूँ, टाइम पास करने वाली हूँ, और फिर मैं दोपहर को जा रही हूँ ब्लो ड्राई करने मेरे हेयर. एंड उसके बाद मैं मेरा खुद का केक बेक करूँगी. Guys, so this is my birthday morning. I just woke up. I have not even like had bath or kuch bhi. It was like, this is good. It is pitch dark outside, by the way. And my flowers are a little muraj gaye, so I've just kept them aisa. I have no idea what to do. I'm not a florist. But yeah, I also got a pimple yesterday and it was like burning. So I did my whole skincare and I slept. And then I woke up. I literally had 4 hours ka sleep. But I had to like romanticize my morning because I won't get a morning like this again in a year. So this is what we're doing. But अभी 8 बजे मेरे को इस्कॉन मंदिर जाना है. एंड मुझे बाल धोने हैं क्योंकि बेसिकली आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मैं ब्लो ड्राई कराऊँ तो मैं वहाँ पे हेयर वॉश करा दूँगी. बट मुझे नहीं पता मैं वहाँ पे कराऊँगी नहीं कराऊँगी. इसके लिए अभी मेरे को हम जस्ट लाइक कर देती हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को मंदिर में भी थोड़ा ढंग से जाना है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना वॉश माई हेयर. बेसिकली आई एम गोना हैव एन एवरीथिंग शावर. But I'm not gonna shave or something because I've already done it like parso, so I won't do that. But yeah, and my mom and dad just left.
डिड आई टेल यू ऑल कि मेरे मॉम डैड मेरे कज़न अंकल के एंगेजमेंट में जा रहे हैं. सो they're not going to be here. I'm going to be alone. Anyways, I'm going to make my face mask and my detan ka mask, and then I'm going to go wash my hair, and then जब मैं ready हो जाऊँगी तब मैं आपको मिलती हूँ. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Hi guys. It is 6:53 right now, and I just had my shower. I washed my hair, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this kurti. मेरा दिवाली का है ये, but this is so pretty. Anyways, now the thing is that my friend जिसके साथ मैं जाने वाली थी वो लेट सोई है, and that is why उसकी नींद नहीं खुलेगी. तो शी इज़ लाइक मे बी आई विल कैंसिल बट यू कॉल मी एट 7:45 और हमें निकलना है 8 बजे. मुझे नहीं पता 7:45 को कॉल करके भी वो उठेगी या नहीं, मतलब उठ भी जाएगी तो भी हाउ विल शी लाइक शावर एंड एवरीथिंग इतने 15 मिनट्स में. बट शी सेड कि वो मोस्टली कैंसिल करेगी. एंड अदर थिंग इज़ दैट यस्टरडे आई आस्क्ड वन ऑफ माई अदर फ्रेंड्स एंड शी वाज लाइक कि नहीं तू जा करके मुझे बाहर जाना है. सो बेसिकली नो वन इज़ योर एंड इतने एंड नोटिस पे लिटरली डोंट नो मैं किसको बताऊँ. मेरा भाई आ सकता है बट नॉट श्योर. सो आई हैव टू सी. अगर ये नहीं आते तो मुझे मेरे भाई को बुलाना पड़ेगा या फिर मेरे को अकेला जाना पड़ेगा. आई प्रॉब्ली जस्ट कॉल माई मॉम एंड आस्क हर बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज लिसन टू माई मॉम. अ टिप, always listen to your mom. But yeah, and I'm just gonna put this face mask. I have not done my skincare. मैं skincare करके थोड़ा सा makeup लगा दूँगी, and then let's see what happens. I'm really praying that she does not cancel on me at least on my birthday because I really wanted to go to ISKCON मंदिर. और अगर मेरे को बेसिकली इफ़ आई कॉल माई मॉम तो शी विल बी लाइक ISKCON जाने से अच्छा हम लोग के बाजू में ही एक मंदिर है वहाँ पे चले जा करके. बट मुझे मतलब ऐसा नहीं मुझे जाना नहीं है. मैं ISKCON के बाद यहाँ पे जाने वाली थी बट मेरे को ISKCON जनरली बहुत जाना था. सो अगर मेरी मम्मी बोलते तो मुझे यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. बट इट्स ऑल्सो लाइक आई थिंक आई हर्ड दिस समवेयर और समथिंग विच इज़ कि अगर कृष्णा डज नॉट वॉन्ट यू टू मीट हिम, लाइक मीट हिम एज इन जब when you need someone then only Krishna calls you, even like in Vrindavan but also in ISKCON. I don't know, I heard it somewhere, so maybe that's true. But yeah, and I think मैं face mask लगा के थोड़ा TV चला दूँगी and I'll put living alone in New York. I love those kind of videos. So yeah, and I'll clean my living room. My nanny is coming mostly because मेरे घर पे कोई नहीं है. My nanny was really excited for my birthday. That's what my mom said. So maybe she could come. But yeah, I have a pimple over here भाई. Okay, neck पर नहीं लगाऊंगी because dress खराब हो जाएगा. But yeah, and if you have a doubt कि मैंने dress लगा के क्यों लगा रही हूँ मैं, let me tell you. So when I come out, I'm all wet, right? Like मेरे हाथ पैर सब गीले हो रहते पानी से. So the thing is that I have no idea if this makes sense. This could be very funny for some people, but this is really true कि अगर मैं ऐसा मेरे हाथ पे नहीं but ऐसे यहाँ पे पानी रखा है और कुछ 15 भी नहीं 5-10 मिनट में ना पूरा मेरे हाथ पे रैशेज़ हो जाएंगे. वो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स के लाइक वे में रैशेज़ होंगे, बहुत इचिंग होगी. सो इसके लिए आई वाज लाइक आई वेयर क्लोथ्स एंड देन आई पुट अ फेस मास्क. सो या, okay, I'm done. This is my face after the face mask. Or something. Basically मैं रील देख रही थी and मेरा पूरा फीड बोल सब रहा है by the way. So basically मैं भी रील देख रही थी and they were like, I think February me, like February 2024, 2025 and 2026, if they sit together they won't believe each other. And I just wanted to talk about it because it's my channel. I would do whatever the heck I want. But February 2024 में I was in 9th standard and February 2024 में basically
I have just started to like date someone, so that guy really treated me in a very very nice way 2024 में, ठीक है. And फिर आता है February 2025. Now then what happens is I did some bad things, and I still did not leave him because of some things, which I'll tell you all later एकदम अच्छे से. But I was like, I did not like him. I was just dating him just because I did not want to cry and I did not want to be alone. Like, I'll tell you all. So that happened. So February 2024 I was the happiest. February 2025, I won't say I was the happiest, but I wasn't sad also, okay? So it was just like, how do I say it? So I was just very focused on myself, but I was very heartbroken. And February 2026, who cares? I'm like that now. Like, I literally just don't know. Like, I could be alone and I wouldn't give two fucks. Like, it's like that, okay? And mera nail tooth kya. But yeah, anyways, that is what I was saying. Is I genuinely feel that the 3 me. Oh my god, am I gonna cry? But it's just I've come so far. I feel like I don't know what to say, but it's just good that I got over everything. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna do my skincare. I just want to like go to ISKCON one day because that would be such a beautiful moment, I feel like. But I won't even say that God's not on my side, because I literally received the most amazing gift yesterday. So definitely he's on my side. It's just something, right? So we're gonna wait. मेरे friend का call आने तक. And look at my babies. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. To like the future guy I would ever give a chance to, which I don't see. Like, I don't think that I would. This is what you have to give. And if you don't have the money, don't talk to me. Just kidding. Anyways, look at these. They're so pretty. ये थोड़े से मुरझा जा रहे हैं. I really want them to stay till like रात. But these are so good. Like, I just can't, like, it's really pretty. एंड जब मैं आ भी रही थी ना स्कूटी से, तो मैं पूरा टाइम इनको घूर के, और मैं ऐसा देख आई एम लिटरली लाइक दिस, ओके? आई एम लाइक दिस बिकॉज it's great. Girls know. And my lilies. She look pretty. I think I'll take a little pictures. Yeah. Bye-bye. I shot my get ready with me. I am all ready now. This is how I look. And my best friend did not cancel on me. I love her. I love you. But I mean, I love you, Srishti. And I love you also, guys. But anyways. So basically, I can't walk and talk. Yeah, I can do it. I will do it. Yeah, I was saying कि basically she did not cancel on me. She called me in like, I think 20 minutes पहले, and she was like, we're going. So now I'm going. In like 5 minutes मुझे नीचे जाना है. 8:10 को जाना है. I think अभी 8:07 कुछ बज रहेंगे. Okay. And this, oh my god, I think my makeup just, I don't know, it's good. It's fine. So I'm gonna go down. मैंने बैग भी पैक नहीं किया. मुझे पैसे लेना है क्योंकि I'm giving a treat to my best friend because she came. And yeah, I'm just gonna go. I have to also pick up some things from the lobby. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take some money. I'm gonna take my bag. So I'm just gonna meet you all in the lift or in the auto. Bye bye. How I look, I literally look कि मैं बहुत ही दूर कहीं जा रही हूँ. But like, I don't know, कोई दूसरा scarf नहीं मिल रहा. I don't want to get tanned or something. So मेरा dress थोड़ा deep है. And meet you later. I'm getting very late. Hi guys. अभी मैं ऑटो में हूँ. You probably can't hear me, but hi. Srishti.
I said hi. We are literally, I don't know, what are we? हम आपके हैं कौन? लोग बड़े में बाल खोल रही वाला नहीं देख ले, मैं बाल खोल रही. I don't look pretty.
Yeah. So guys, we are back. ISKCON से भाई. Why do you look so weird? Anyways,
I always look weird.
How I look. Shut up. And this is Srishti. Hi. And we bought mendu vada.
Medu vada is.
I hate her. Anyways, I got medu vada and
Medu vada.
I said freaking mendu vada. No, don't autocorrect me again.
Okay,
So, ठीक है वो होने के बाद so this is my favorite and then we're going मेरे society में we're gonna
My
eat
favorite.
and then मेरा भी है
मैं
यार
संडे अरे मेरा भी है मैं बोल रही हूँ तेरा है उस पे मैंने बोला मेरा भी है
तो बीच में ही क्यों बोलना है आपको आपको बाकी का टाइम नहीं है सो आ तो सो अभी हम लोग मेदू वड़ा खाने के लिए मेरी सोसाइटी में एंड देन सो शी इज गोना लीव एंड देन I'm gonna go home ये कितना बजे 10 बज गया रहेगा
10 बज गया
that's it bye
Oh, it's hot.
so I came and मुझे पता चला कि I got my period so happy birthday to me but honestly I get really bad cramps and अभी नहीं मुझे लग रहा है मुझे cramps आएंगे because I'm going to be a little busy but if I do get you hear that the gasping like the panting that is because I got my period so I just genuinely feel that I'm gonna actually get a really bad pain so I might have a medicine but I'm just like done I have to shoot one transition which I will do right now and then फिर मैं कुछ normal सा पहन के मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं अभी डेकोरेशन कर लूँ और फिर मैं मतलब अभी डेकोरेशन करने के बाद थोड़ा टाइम पास वगैरह करूँगी एंड उसके बाद I'll get my hair done and then after that I'll make a cake and then it's done so I'm thinking वो करूँ मैं so yeah. Hi guys, I got changed and I also removed my makeup and then थोड़े से balloons फगा दिया I've cleaned the room and all but अभी 1:15 हो रहा है and now I'm thinking to get my hair like done but my stomach's killing me like it's just really bad so I've had a medicine I never have medicines but जब से मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए basically should I say I'll tell you all basically last I think November-ish December में I got like really bad cramps like मुझे morning में periods आए थे and I got really bad cramps and वो मतलब बहुत worse थे like I'm shivering and all and my mom saw that and then she had to go somewhere so she went there तो इसके लिए मैं lecture वगैरह भी नहीं गई and मेरी मम्मा is fed up my mom my dad everyone was just fed up with these cramps because I'm getting these cramps since I was in 6th standard and these are so bad कि अगर मैं ऐसे सो रहे ऐसे बैठी हूँ तो मुझे इतना पेन होगा कि मैं आई हैव लिटरली सोफ़ा पे मैं ऐसे लेट के ऐसा रोल होके नीचे बस ऐसे रोल हो रही हूँ दैट इज़ हाउ बैड क्रैम्प्स आई गेट ओके सो माई मॉम वॉज डन शी वॉज लाइक वी नीड टू गो एंड गेट चेक्ड लाइक you need to get checked so we went to a doctor and I got checked and they're like kuch nahi you just eat a lot of junk food and that is why so they gave me like a medicine a syrup who did have that I did not I just forget things bhai but whatever and then they gave me like a 4 wala packet like what do you 4 tablets ka packet of painkiller and they're like जब भी पेन हो जाए पहन ये कर देना हर पीरियड में मैं वो खा रही हूँ अभी एंड दैट इज़ सो डिस्कस्टिंग आई डोंट लाइक दैट बिकॉज मैं कभी आई थिंक मैंने कभी पेन किलर नहीं खाया अभी बस मैंने 3 पेन किलर्स खाए लाइफ में लिटरली नो 4 एक बार मुझे बहुत गंदे आए थे बट लाइक अभी भी मैंने खा लिया बिकॉज आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अगर मैं आ जाती हूँ मेरा पेट दुख जाता है ना आई कुडंट इवन फिर मैं उल्टी करने लगूँगी फिर मैं जा ही नहीं पाऊँगी पेन किलर लेने भी मतलब आई जस्ट इट वुड रियली बी बैड तो मैं केक वगैरह कुछ नहीं बना पाऊँगी इसके लिए मैंने खा लिया है एंड मेरे से लंच भी नहीं जा रहा दैट इज़ हाउ बैड इट इज़ सो नाउ इट्स लाइक ऑल मेसी एंड स्टफ बट वी आर गोना गो गेट माई हेयर डन so yeah and I'm going alone with my brother so I'm let us give a picture because of the
मी बघितलेलंच
हाँ this is from Lifestyle. This is from Zudio. Chappal koshache? Nike. T-shirt is from Zudio. Pant is from Hill Road. Chappal is I don't know from where. I am back. I got my hair done, but now I just like tied them in a bun, so I'm just gonna keep that for some time, like till the birthday starts. I'm just gonna watch some TV. Sorry, and I did not have my lunch again, but I just came actually, so yeah. But guys, it is, what's the time? Wait. Yeah, it is 5:15 right now. My boss literally 45 minutes to get ready because I baked the cake. I did not show you the cake. I'll show you it. I'm literally hurrying because like what the fuck. Anyways, I did bake the cake. It was a mess. It was a mess because my dining table pe bana rahi thi, and this is how my cake looks like. Wait. This is how it looks, and I genuinely feel it's cute. I wanted to be like perfect, but it's alright, it's fine. So that's that, and then I've cleaned the whole living room. I'm gonna show you all. Wait, see, I tried to do something not my thing, but anyways, I am gonna get ready right now. The thing is that मेरा phone का storage हो गया है full, so अब मुझे नहीं पता मुझे गेट रेडी में मैं शूट करूँगी तो वो डिलीट हो जाएगा या क्या हो जाएगा. मैं इंस्टा के ड्राफ्ट में रखने वाली हूँ, बट स्टिल आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम गोना गेट रेडी. एंड इफ यू वांट टू सी हाउ आई गेट रेडी, go to my Instagram. Bye. Hi guys. As you all can see, everyone's gone, and I'm actually just gonna show you all my gifts because I love them. I'm gonna tell you all something also. So let me. Okay, first of all, I need the cake. Oh, मैंने इसको like cut नहीं किया, like खाया ही नहीं है, so I'm gonna eat that. It's like taste test, okay? This low-key, high-key tastes like the cake जो बाहर मिलता है. And so what? Anyways, let me show you all these other gifts because I absolutely loved all the gifts. First is these mirrors. Okay, so basically I was thinking to kind of decor my room again. Like I wanted to do a room makeover, and for that I needed a couple of things जो मैंने add to cart करके रखी थी, जिसमें से ये mirror भी था, and I got it. I literally got it, and I'm not even kidding. This was literally in my cart. Then I also got one more mirror, which is again pink. And you guys literally have no idea. I'm just so grateful for everything. This is like one of my best birthdays, and my हर birthday with you because अभी मैं खेल रही थी तो भी I was just getting signs from God, and it was just really good, and my birthday really went in a very nice way, and I love it. उसके बाद also got these very cute clips from my best friend. I love these. I wanted these cute clips for times when I got these. Then I got a candle. Let me tell you, I don't like candles. I do not like candles, and my mama मुझे buy नहीं करने देती है. So this is like the second or third candle that I really wanted to buy candles, and I got one. And this is the vanilla one. I don't really like vanilla, but this one smells good. This is the scented jar candle, scents vanilla. And ये सारे gifts मैं मेरे स्कूल से बता रही हूँ, like my whole group स्कूल का उनका है ये, और एक टी-शर्ट उन्होंने दिया था, इसमें डाला कुछ. Yeah, they gave me this very thin t-shirt which is so cute. Then उन्होंने बैग दिया मुझे. Let me tell you something. I love the Face Shop. Like this is a brand called The Face Shop, and I love it. Like मेरा face wash, toner, moisturizer सब इनका है. And I got a sheet mask उनका. Tell me I'm not God's favorite child. She literally just went there and she just bought this, and this is the Face Shop girl. I love the Face Shop, but this is not sponsored by them. So they gave me this voucher card or something like that. Then very cute sticky notes. I don't even think that I'm going to use these because these are so cute. I'm not going to use these. But yeah, then I got, okay, I have always wanted to buy stickers, but I've never bought. So they literally got me stickers. मैं हर साल DIY जाती हूँ to buy journals with my friends, and मैं stickers लेना नहीं देती हूँ, मैं कभी भी नहीं देती हूँ. And they literally got me stickers. It's just crazy. I'm gonna check this out. This is really really nice. I love it. If life gives you lemons make lemonade. I love you all. They're literally the best one. And then the last thing is a mug. Now let me tell you. First of all, this is very pretty. This is genuinely really really pretty. And okay, basically, I just recently bought like a vanity, like my own vanity, and इसलिए I needed a mug. ठीक है, like a mug or like a thing for my brushes. So I have this mug, which is मेरे primary school का, which has my face, and I don't like the little me. Honestly, no hate baby, but I don't like you. So I really wanted it, and I literally wanted. I was like, I need to buy this. I just said this like day before yesterday, and I got another mug. I'm not gonna use this because I have a lot of things like that. But I am literally gonna die if मेरी मम्मी आती है इधर. एक बार जब मम्मी नहीं आएगी, बट अगर आती है तो मम्मी सच में मार देगी मुझे. Because everything is still messy, and मैंने बस शूट करना. So I'll tell you what actually happened is basically I was just going to journal a little and clean up a little bit, but I ended up shooting things because मेरा बिल्कुल अच्छा फोटो नहीं आया है, मेरा मेकअप भी अच्छा नहीं हुआ था. तो मैंने फिर से ड्रेस पहनी और मैंने फिर से मेकअप करा, मैंने फिर से गेट रेडी विथ मी शूट करा और मैंने पोस्ट करा है. सो दैट्स इट. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी आ जाएगी. भाई मेरी लिटरली फाड़ देगी मुझे. बट या so that's it now. And yeah, that was my birthday vlog. I hope y'all liked it. Look at my legs, they're so pretty. Yeah, I hope y'all